This morning, we are at the fourth summit of airport modernization at Bangalore in India. This is the second day, and the Aviation Defence Universe, my organization, is honored to have Mr. Srinivas Ganji, the General Manager of IBI, with us.
Thank you, sir.
We welcome you, sir.
Thank you very much.
And to start with, I'd like to know something about your organization.
Yeah. So IBI, which stands for Intelligence, Buildings and Infrastructure, is a Canadian-based organization. So which got like established in 1974, and then since then it has been providing services as well as like we are moving into different technology-based solutions in different areas like your highways, urban ecosystems, and then the airport ecosystems also. So we work with a lot of our clients actually to help them in mainly the traffic and transportation infrastructure efficiency improvements, and then urban planning and architecture. So we are the third largest, fourth largest actually, the architecture company in the world. And then along with that, we are just not stopping from there. So we have actually expanded into different infrastructure design as well as the solutions actually to offer them from starting from the planning and design to the end of that life for the different infrastructure.
Now, Mr. Srinivas, tell me, who are your clients and customers?
So we work with different clientele. We work with municipal corporations to help in urban ecosystems, and then we work with airport authorities and then airport operators, as well as so we work with highway the developers who are actually into like taking highways and on PPP basis and then operating. So we work with them in various levels. So for some of the clients we work with on the planning, and then some of the some of the clients we work with them to help them on the provision of systems to manage, and then some of the clients we work with them in the advising them in traffic due diligence studies in terms of helping them to invest rightly in different infrastructure in both highways, railways and airports.
Now you see, Mr. Srinivas, these days there's a lot of development taking place. A lot of new ideas are coming, a lot of innovations are taking place, a lot of technological advancement is taking place. Now, is there anything in your mind, in your...
Exactly. So you have actually touched upon a very right and then required point nowadays. So we are actually having moving to a different phase now, where it is not just only projects and services that we provide to the clients, but we are developing a lot of these products in terms of solutions. So we are providing all our services and products actually so into different products called Smart City Platform to manage the cities, and then specific to the airports, when it comes to airports, so we are providing airport ground transportation management systems to manage the complete curbside and then the landside traffic management, and then the airport taxi dispatch management and smart city platforms. So I just want to stress upon one thing that nowadays the airports actually are not just the transit hubs, they are actually airport cities, and then we have to manage them in an integrated fashion, and that's where actually all these ecosystems are very much helpful in terms of the solutions as well as the services in terms of taking the right approach in developing and then maintaining them.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah.
Mr. Srinivas, has been a great learning talking to you.
Thank you.
And wish you all the best.
Thank you very much, sir.
And thank you very much.
Thank you.